Hello everyone, I am Gul Patel and I am working in OSI as student visa counselor. And welcome back, Aditya.
Thank you so much, Gul, for having me.
We are eager to have you here, and I would like to question you about your lifestyle in Canada.
Okay, so my life in Canada has been great until now. I started off on a wobbly foot, but that's okay. Most of the students do that. Uh, what I would suggest is that the people or the students that who are planning to go out to Canada or maybe any other country for that matter, please do have a particular plan as to what they want to do, as they want to, how they want to build their career, and what they are interested in. If you have a solid plan, that helps you a lot to live your life the way you want out there.
Yeah, it's good. And between all of this, how did you manage, like including your living?
Okay, so financials is a big part about, or I would say a major part about your life outside India, because you have to manage each and every aspect of it. I personally would recommend that you have a job, maybe a part time or a full time, doesn't matter, but have a job that helps you to keep your financials in place. Also, I would like to say that please have a figurative and a calculative plan. Having that will always help you to manage your life, which is ahead of you, a future life, basically, a future plan. That will always help you to be a professional and maintain your education as well at the same time.
So, as per the education, like what is the difference between the Indian and Canadian education from your perspective?
So, Indian education heavily relies on theoretical knowledge, but Canadian education helps you to become a thorough professional. They helps you to brush up your skill set, and they always emphasize more on the practical knowledge apart from the theoretical knowledge that you bring along. You always try to be and you always try to perform what you have in your bag. If you do that on a day-to-day basis, you can survive and excel out there.
And the last question, but not the least, how did the OSI help you to achieve your goals?
So I would I'm grateful and I would highly recommend OSI because the counselors out here, they always are in a constant touch and support with all the students out there. I always have someone just like Neerav who was in a constant support and always led me to understand what the situation is, and I always had to just drop a text or maybe make a call to get help from the OSI counselors. So I appreciate all the help they have been making through me. Thank you so much.
Yeah, so you recommend us to your peoples?
Well, absolutely. As I said, that I always recommend and I always appreciate the help. I do recommend students who are applying for any country outside Canada, please visit your OSI visa, as they are the highest level of professionalism that they can offer you, and they will always be with you no matter what.
And thank you so much, Aditya, for being here, and we wish you a very bright future ahead.
Thank you so much, Gul.